friends, today we're gonna make caterpillars.
Yeah, out of paper, and we're gonna show you how to erase them too. All right, Olivia, what do we need for this little project?
Green paper.
Green construction paper,
construction paper.
Yeah.
A straw and scissors and a marker.
Yeah, and a marker. And we have 2 straws because we're each gonna make one, and we're gonna race at the end. And these are so fun. You just blow like this. And it goes across the paper, yeah, like an actual caterpillar.
Oh my goodness! I didn't know that I cannot say it. Caterpillars make that sound.
Yeah, they don't. That was me.
Oh.
All right, let's put this off to the side, and we're going to show our art friends how to make them also. Hey, parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices: iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. And first we're going to make the caterpillar this long, so this way. If it goes this way, we tried it out with this guy, and it's way too long, and it doesn't work. That's why he has angry eyes. So I'm first gonna cut a strip off of our green construction paper. Also, another thing I realized is that this construction paper is kind of thin, and so if you have thicker construction paper, then it'll work better. But this is all we got, so we're gonna use it. All right, there's our little strips. We'll put the rest of the green paper off to the side, and we can put the scissors off to the side, and we're gonna fold it first, or next. We're gonna start by, cutting was first, then folding is next. So we're gonna fold a little square down here at the bottom. There you go, and crease it down. Yeah. Then we're going to fold it again. We can keep it like this and try to match where the paper, where we folded, so that it's equal, the same size. Yes. And then we're gonna fold it again. There you go. And we'll just keep going until we get to the very end of our piece of paper. If there's a little extra at the end, then let's see how it doesn't go all the way to the end. You could cut this little extra piece off, but on yours, let's cut that. Here we go, we'll cut it. Yeah, okay, and then on mine, because it's a little shorter, I think I might actually keep it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Okay, now here's scissors for you.
Thank you.
And now scissors for me. We're gonna cut the little corners. We're gonna cut the corners off, but we're gonna try to round it.
Every corner?
Yeah, but also you don't wanna cut it into a full circle. You gotta leave a little extra here for the fold. Yeah, there you go. And go ahead and you can make it a little more round if you want. You just don't wanna go all the way and cut the fold off. There you go, yeah. And then I'm gonna go on to the next. Nice. The next corner.
Are we gonna do these corners too?
Yeah, and the other corners on the other side. And when you're done, it should look like an oval shape. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna take all of these little green pieces, extra pieces, and we can throw them away.
Little greenies.
Now we can unfold our caterpillar. So we can open it up. Oh, look, it looks like the little segments of our caterpillar. And see, this one was the short part of my caterpillar. So I can round that corner off if you want to do a little extra customizing. There we go. Now it's oval over here too. And we've got it, it's got a little curve. We're gonna take the end segments and fold them the other direction. So if it curves this way, we're gonna fold the head and also the tail going the other way. So it should look like this. It looks like a rainbow line, but then the ends fold the opposite direction. Put it on the side and see. Yeah, look at that. So it looks like a caterpillar or an inchworm doing its little
Whee!
Because our table is so smooth, the inchworms don't really work, or the caterpillars don't quite work on it. They'll just slide. So we got our little piece of paper that we're going to use for the ground. If your table is rough, then, or not as smooth, then it will work better. But let's switch to our markers next, and we're going to pick which side we want to be the head, and we can add a small little face. And a smile. Oh, I like your face. I like that you changed it. You could also put legs on this side if you want.
Legs?
Yeah, you could put little legs. But you could really customize it and change it any way you want. There you go. And I think we need a starting line and a finish line.
Ooh.
Here's the finish line. And down here, we got the starting line. There we go. Now you ready to race?
Wait.
Yeah, you need to curve them up a little more. There you go. You can fold these a bit more. Then we're going to use our straws, and you don't want to blow straight down, and you also don't want to blow, yeah, you just squish them, and you don't want to blow too much this way because then they just shoot. Yeah, like that. Then so you're kind of shooting your air down diagonal. Yeah. Wait a minute.
It's not working.
This is why our construction paper is a little too thin. Let's try something. Let's. I'm gonna cut mine.
He's doing the worm.
He's doing the worm. I'm gonna cut mine.
Wait, he is a worm.
I cut some of the body off of mine. Now he's shorter. Look. Okay, here we go. Ah.
Wait.
He took off. He's in hyperspeed.
3, 2, 1. He did a front flip. Mine's like folded.
I'm going. He's stuck up there.
Oh.
I think he's still too long. I might need to cut.
I'm gonna cut some off.
Yeah, we need to cut a little bit more off. I'm gonna cut one more segment off. He keeps getting shorter. I think.
Oh, he's so short.
Because our paper is so thin, it might need to be shorter, like this. There we go.
Wait, now I have a tiny worm.
How small is yours?
This small.
Wait, where's his head? You cut his head off.
No,
that's
Where's my
what's
straw?
that guy? Okay, let's try one more official race. Okay, you gotta fold it back like that. Okay, are we the same length? I think we are. All right, this is the official race.
3.
All right, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. No, that's cheating. Look at the back. You blew both of them. Okay, wait. I got one more. All right, I'm pulling out my secret weapon.
I need my secret weapon.
Oh yeah. Here you go.
I need my secret weapon.
No, wait. You blew mine off to the side. Oh, hold on. Oh wait, hold on. This guy's gonna win.
I'm dying.
It's a tornado. Oh wait. Let me try something. Here we go.
Try from the bottom. Wait, where's the tiny one? Where's the tiny one?
You got to take little breaks because I'm starting to get lightheaded. Okay, watch the little back right here when I do it. Oh wait, it's not working. Okay, I'm gonna race you. I'm gonna race the little guy. Okay, wait. We need separation because you're blowing mine. No, that's cheating. Ow.
I did not mean to do that.
I'm gonna win.
You're not. We hope you had a lot of fun making caterpillars with us.
Yeah, and we hope you have a lot of fun racing them too. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. I'm sorry. Did I get you in the eye?
Yeah,
oh no, it's watering. Oh no, I'm sorry.